Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are rolling bank freezes finally over? Honorable Supreme Court recently drew a hard line. After 1 year, provisional attachment dies and there is no second shot on the same grounds. Today in this video, let's discuss a game-changing decision by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Kesari Nandan Mobile that resets how Section 83 works in case of bank account attachments. What triggered this case? First attachments happened on 17th and 26th October 2023 respectively. Objections were filed by the party on 1st May 2024. No decision was given on these objections. These attachments lapsed by statute after 1 year, that is 18th and 27th October 2024. Now here comes the catch. Department then issued renewal attachments on 13th and 18th December 2024 respectively. Honorable Gujarat High Court said that there is no embargo on the second attachment post-lapse as the revenue has to be protected. Matter finally lands before the Honorable Supreme Court, which flips the script. The question before the Apex Court was that, can department reattach after 1 year under Section 83? The short answer given by the Apex Court is no. Let's understand the reasoning behind this answer. Honorable Supreme Court's core logic was that subsection 2 of Section 83 is crystal clear. Every provisional attachment ceases after 1 year and no clause for renewal means no power to renew exists. Period. Section 11 DA of Excise law, Section 28BA of Customs Act, they allow extensions up to 2 years. But Parliament intentionally left out this extension provision in GST. And Honorable Supreme Court said that we won't add what legislature intentionally left out. Furthermore, Honorable Apex Court held that Section 83 is a draconian power which must be strictly policed. It was held in Radha Krishan Industries case also. Now, reissue renewal of attachment after 1 year expiry would gut down the safeguard provided in the statute and it would become a backdoor recovery tool, which was never the intention of the legislature. If statute says that attachment ceases after 1 year, it ceases after 1 year. You cannot reattach the property, you cannot renew the attachment on the same grounds. You cannot do something indirectly which statute has expressly forbidden you from doing so. Otherwise, it would be old wine in new bottle, which is not permissible. The GST Council itself flagged that banks keep the accounts under freeze until explicit letters arrive from the department. It recommended amending Rule 159 of CGST rules and DRC 22 to auto sunset after 1 year. It is a further proof that attachment orders die after 1 year. Therefore, Honorable Supreme Court struck down the renewed provisional attachment orders. Banks were directed to immediately defreeze the accounts, and lastly, department was allowed to continue with their investigation but not via renewal provisional attachment orders. What is the takeaway from this case? For taxpayers, the takeaway would be 1 year cap is absolute. Calendar your DRC 22 dates. On 366th day, the attachment automatically ceases. demand the defreezing from your banks in writing, and now banks cannot say that we are waiting for further instructions. What would be the takeaway for the officers? Please time box your inquiries to 1 year window. After that, move to adjudication and use recovery proceedings if required. Don't go for renewal of provisional attachment orders. So if you are facing such a renewal freezing, you don't have to do much. Just send one letter citing this judgment, your DRC 22 dates, and a note that it leads to automatic expiry on such and such date, and ask for immediate defreezing the accounts. However, before we end, let's answer a very, very important question. Could a new attachment ever be issued later? The answer is yes, but only if there is truly new material developments leading to a fresh law compliant satisfaction, which is not a workaround for missed timelines and certainly cannot be a clone of old grounds. That's it for this video. If this helped, please like the video and share it with other tax teams and assessors who may benefit from this video, and subscribe for more such GST litigation breakdowns. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.